Yes, my peeps, me at it again in the morning, you see me? As the other day, when me telling us somebody did showing a different trap with a different trigger system. Basically same trap but with a different trigger system, that I want to say. Yeah man, so I think them this is it. So hopefully this time I want Dove me catch as it. Cause me change the location and come over where we did burn the bamboo them from the other day. And cause we see Dove them a come around the place around, so you see me. So me notice though when the trap did over on the other side, it's like them walk around the trap and them never did a really fool around the feeding where they did it, you see me. So I don't know if them never like that they feeding there, that they bait there or what. So I'm gonna do it one different way where them can really see say I want trap, them a go in or them not see nothing did they fi eat. Them just a go walk and them I go trigger the trap that they way there. And then get catch like our booby trap thing where we would normally see in movies. That's it. Yeah man. Me and man me well skilled, you know. That's it. So watch what I go on now. So this are everything we need still. Cause I done already preppy thing them, is it? So me need 2 anchor stick. Me need well basically 3 anchor stick. And me need a pin and a holder for the pin, you see me? So, you know how you go. I'm going to show you how you set up on them thing there. And you don't know Mickey there?
Yes,
yeah,
guys,
man.
I'm here.
She there. She a hold the camera here now.
I'm here, guys.
Yeah, man. So, this is how I'm going to do it. Alright, my peeps. So, watch what I go on, you know. Yeah. Well, you don't know the lever already. You don't know how that go. See that? Yeah, man. So, what I'm going to do you know is make sure say firmly down in the ground, you see me? Because rain a fall from the other day. So this gone down in the earth but to this level already. Because you know so when the bird them get catch them a go fly around and them a go on away. So you have to make sure so this down in the earth. Or if you can when you tie the thread on the end, you can put an anchor in the ground and tie the thread on the end so when it thread or cord or whatever you use, when it fly, it already hold him. So if this pull out, him can fly up and down same way. You see it. You just need it to dip on his foot and his anchor. And good. Yeah man. So I'm gonna deal with it this way. Alright, so you need a good anchor like this with you hold the pressure. Cause watch how I go on. Yeah man. See if I can get it down in the earth. Fuck. Yeah, cause I don't know prep them already. You see me, my peeps. Don't get them already and prep them and line him up, cause you know you go. No, and the video is too long. You understand? Alright, so that did it so. This there so. Yeah man. So you know see that? This I go hold the anchor. This I go hold down the trigger stick, the lever. This I go use as another trigger stick basically. But I want anchor. I'm gonna show you how it work. Alright, so boom. Measure it, you see me? Can't now put it there so. Hold on. Alright, so you can see now my peeps. This is it. So me tie a string pan this card. Me tie a string pan this stick here. See me? So you have 1 anchor, 2 anchor, you have another stick in the ground where you go use for for another. Well, basically, I hit will be the trigger. It will help with the trigger. So, you tie a thread or a cord from this a stick to another little pin where me cut out some notch in a hit. Yeah, man. So, me cut a notch like this on the side, yeah. A notch, one head a notch so, and one head a notch so. So, you know, they'll see how you work out. You understand? Yeah, man. Because I did cut them a while back and put them down, you know. So now me I go use them. Yeah. Alright. And this. Alright, and now peeps. Me need, what else me need now? Yeah. Pin and everything. So this will good right there, so. Need a pin here. Alright. One piece more card, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, one piece more card, man, right? Keep me a look for me hair thread this morning. I can't find any people. But me I go improvise still. Me get one of them thread there. Where me have prepared for different part of the veg. Alright, my peeps. So I basically just have to go and piece that piece up on it. Cause it's too short, you see me? Yeah, man. I'm tired of piecing it because it's too short. Alright, this we can do it. Now the reason I use a black thread and it's so fine too is because you don't know bird and them sitting there. If them sit the color, them are go see it and know say yo something right there, so you have to make it thing look as natural as possible. You see me? Yeah, man. So see it there. Pin, you see me? Yeah, man, I pin this. Alright. Now you know. Alright. I remember one time I did talk about the anchor, my peeps. Yeah, man. This side, you know. I'm going to show you now how I go on. I have to turn this in our slip knot right now. Yeah. I'm going to slip knot this. So, I'm going to slip knot this. Put it on the end of this. And dry it tight. You see me? Yeah, man. See it there. Bam. Slip knot that. So when this a piece of stick. Ready. Where pin there? Oh, see pin here. Yeah. When this come down, this is what go happen, my peeps. You see me? And that happen. Wow.
I'm sweating me get licking on my face.
Once you know over it, man, it good. Alright, so see that, my peeps? Like that. And it all set so. So that are just part of the trigger system right there, so. You see me? Yeah, man. And then now, because this type and this, I go hold it. The piece of sticker, I go hold everything in place. So I put it underneath this, like so. Carry it up. And this is where the notch them come in. Useful now, my people. Yeah, man. So this we hold it like that. Hold on, my peeps. This have to sit underneath. Yeah, man. So, hold on. Yeah, man. So, see what I go on there now, my people. You see me? Hold on. Not stiff enough, man. That's on our way. Leave me. Alright. So you see your trigger system set right there, so my people. Now, the reason, only thing that I'm left for me do is to put on the card them if you drop, if you fly up, slip knot round the bird foot and catch him. Now the piece of card that we go so. Whoa. You know, fly, but thank God. Yeah, man. Because I don't want a video yard go too long, you know? When him come and him walk, whether him go so, this I go draw down, so he slip out this from out of the notch. Once him go so, and touch pan it, like him step on it, this I go draw down and fly the pin, and fly up. Yeah, man. And it I go the slip knot them when me set on it, I go draw up. So what the next thing left for me do now is attach the card them to the end, to the top or to the end of the lever. You see me? I remember say you have to have a card them if you catching foot. Yeah, man. So me I go use down here so for the slip knot. I done prep it already as me showing you no peeps. Cause I never want a video too long, so I done prep it already. I did kind of have this stuff them for a while, so you know it go. Yeah, so that's a one card. Second one, because me have to make sure so the card them I'll show you now how I go on, so you don't have to worry. Can cover a surface here. You see me? Alright, ready again now. Demonstration time. Yeah. See it there now. Hook him in the hook it on the pin. Yeah, man, hook it on the pin. Trigger system, yeah, people. A wicked trigger system. I learned this when me a youth. My grandfather showed me this, you see me? When me a youth, my grandfather showed me it, but me improvise funny. Because my grandfather showed me one way how him do it. And me improvise funny and put. Me don't use stick, cause normally I'll show you something. I'll show you something, my peeps. Hold on, how this now hold? Oh yeah, it fly down from the notch. Alright, my peep, so it's set now, you see me? Yeah, man, it's set now, so all me I gotta do is just open the slip knot them like this. That's it. And the same card, put it over the trigger card like this. Just like the other trap we did set the other day, where you catch a frog, yeah, man. Just put it over it like that. And then set another. That's why I have to use 2 card peeps or 3 on the lever. You see me? Because you have to spread out over the trigger or the booby trap card. You see me? Yeah, man. So set it like that. Set it like this. Alright. No, that one longer. One have to go to so. Yeah, man. I want a video here too long to still not keep, so I understand how it go. Yeah, man. See it there, see it? Like that. And then me have another piece of thread, but I have to go back in the house with that, so you know, now I go see that one day. You see me? And then me tie another piece on this and put out here so. So whenever I bird forward and him walk through or what, and him step on it, I hit that. You see me? See that? Start fly around and go all about. You see me? So I go set the trap now. And see if I can catch the dove them, because then they bought the place for some tree. You see me? I wait patiently. Come get catch, you know? Yeah, man. So not out at you know, peeps. So not
Really
out there, man.
hot.
So what me I go do? I go bad off this, so I go show you this too. Yeah, man. I go bad off it with some of them here. Yeah, man. I'm one when tiny forward. Yeah, man. One tiny forward in this picture. Have some bamboo around the place. There's some bamboo around the place. So put them here so. Basically I try to direct them to go straight in it, you see it? Right. I'm going to finish fine tune the trap and thing. Yeah man, so now we see what I go on. So watch what I go on. Bad off everything, so all them I go do, I walk come straight round, I walk from that side they come down, and them I go just because them can't really see the card like that. And them walk on it, boom, like that. You see me, my peeps, different sugar system, because I notice what they know come over on the other side and I don't know what happened. Them not really, they grow on the bait or panny, you see me, so we just I go set a different trigger system for them and see if it work. Hopefully it work, you see me? Alright my peeps, peace out.
Guys, we stretch catch one bird panic trap. Why? Hold him. Why? Oh God. Oh.
Watch out my peeps. Yeah man. Watch out. Me just a come from
Hopewell.
from Hopewell, you see me?
We're gonna do one vlog.
Yeah man, and me say me I come check it trap cause rain fall and thing, you know. And watch a people. A dove, me catch a dove.
Boy.
Yeah man, pan the trap.
Look
So
at that.
this time it's not a
frog.
frog. This time are the real deal, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me like how me I see. Yeah peeps.
It's
So
pretty.
me hope you know see in the video where how me set the trap and thing. So you don't know how it go. But me think me I go try to raise that one, you understand? Me not go kill that one, or me let him go. Yeah.
Raise him, cause I love birds.
Yeah, but me think me go raise that one, like how you not get no harm nor nothing.
Yeah.
Watch him man. Hey, him force you know?
Watch
Jeez,
him.
going pretty.
Oh,
Yeah man.
we want the one that raise him stretch.
Yeah, me go raise him man. I will try if you say me can raise him. Yes, me peeps, so you don't know? Daddy trap
Watch
catch
him.
something.
You feel
Yeah,
too
man.
good.
I mean, so see that my peeps, anything I can come in useful if you don't want to catch some little pretty bird around in your place, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so much respect and you know don't know, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
You know, comment on the video. Hunting in the hills of Westmoreland.
Bird hunting in the hills of
Yeah.
Westmoreland, guys.
We are give away 10 grand when we catch 1K. Yeah. Alright, much love and respect my peeps, you know? Alright.